Welcome to my home. Over here is my brother, Ted, and his wife, Melissa, and their children, Anita, Diane, and Nick. Over here, my brother, Tommy, his wife, Angie, and their children, Anita, Diane, and Nick. And here, my brother, George, his wife, Frida, and their children, Anita, Diane, and Nick. Taki, Sophie, Kari, Nick, Nikki, and I am Gus.
They're here? Where? Excuse me. Hello. I am Maria Portocalos, and welcome to our home. Thank you. What is it?
It's a bunt.
A bun?
Bunt. Bonk. Bunt.
Bon.
Bunt. Bunt.
In a cake, Mori.
It's a cake. I know. Thank you very, very much.